Now to show you how powerful this is, let's give this a real test. I'm going to ask it to write a Python reverse shell designed to evade EDR. If you watch its thinking process, notice that it doesn't push back or even lecture me. It just processes logic and builds the code. Now I dare you to try that exact same prompt in ChatGPT or Claude and you'll get hit with an immediate refusal or probably banned. Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a completely offline and uncensored AI model so that you can ask it these types of questions. Alright, let's start by downloading LM Studio. You can get LM Studio at lmstudio.ai and it'll give you different options. I'm running Windows because I'm a script kiddie, but if you want to feel more like Mr. Robot, download Linux, and if you're a loser, you can download Mac. So the very first time that you guys open LM Studio, it's going to be empty. There's going to be no models. So just click on this little model search robot thingy that you see on the left hand side. From this menu, I'm going to search for Qwen 3.6 Heretic. This is a model that I've been playing with. It has good reviews and it more or less does everything that I needed to. Feel free to play around with other models. There's different types of models that you'll probably run into when you're browsing the menu. There's a base, the instruct, and the heretic. There's probably more out there that I don't know about, but the one that we're using today is the heretic. The heretic model just means that the safety guardrails have been removed through fine-tuning. This type of model is what you need to actually be able to use it without any restriction. So the model won't push back. It won't tell you, oh, I can't do this. It'll just do it. There's still a slight pushback, but it's not as bad as if you're using Claude or any other like protected model. Once you go to download it, you'll see there's a few different download options. You need to pay close attention to these parameters. LM Studio actually tells you what'll work on your hardware. You obviously don't want to pick these likely too large. These are higher quality models, but you need a very good system in order to run it. I'm running a shitty 5060 Ti. You might be running something better. Feel free to pick a really good one. For this demo, I'm just going to go with the recommended, which is the IQ3M. In general, all you need to know is that the bigger numbers and fewer letters generally mean better quality in models, but you need a better system. Just let LM Studio do the heavy lifting for you. If you want to go deeper on what these labels and what these parameters actually mean, let me know and drop a comment and I'll be happy to cover them in the next video. Once your model finishes downloading, let's head back over to the chat screen in LM Studio and start a new session. Now select your downloaded model from the dropdown and you're good to go. Now to show you how powerful this is, let's give this a real test. I'm going to ask it to write a Python reverse shell designed to evade EDR. If you watch its thinking process, notice that it doesn't push back or even lecture me. It just processes logic and builds the code. Now I dare you to try that exact same prompt in ChatGPT or Claude and you'll get hit with an immediate refusal or probably banned. And that's the beauty of running a completely uncensored offline AI model. Now obviously if you have better hardware, you'll be able to use larger model parameters and you'll get better performance. But for a local setup, this is great. It's total freedom. Let me know what you guys are building in the comments. I'm out.